Admitted question number 4 sini bolong genang bolong genang MDC Umar Shankar Debormani Sungmong ADC hapang by je smoke house khlaijak mani tangri tabuk bo paiya tai baksa hike tabuk bo cengjagia tangri samung bathagui tong Isha Sadabe. So, titi additionally thani chung Ponchasta smoke house thani bagai manmani. A Ponchasta ni bisingo tabok zara chung 22 smoke house construction, ongoing construction, baksa ke pai ke tui, baksa ke Chengi or begging overhigh condition of tongue. So, Ponchasta side got the selection kaija. Into Chungo the problem of Katama out of Satrish Kutita, protect the smokehouse ni, Posat local Kai smokehouse ni, or Kaisa Horror. Okay, Tabok Sakuti Takaching, Tabok Rati Sakuti Takasiman, but some bites the smokehouse senka. Smokehouse ceremony for a Sakuti Tagaran, Chunga Saka Daki utilization certificate of the further run financial into further Taikuno run Kaya, Nibalichum Kanaka, Sotra Puti Takahimat already stated run Kaja, but also Chinitani or run Roharia Punibagay, Tao smokehouse, some Tangani Kevin Makai Konta, Aban Bagay, Baki J. Paistan Korija, but Baki Ponchasakana J. Chini Satasta High. Jagawa Tawano, Chingi Mako Abject, Changak Aboni, Aboni Logaboni fire ni chamber of anybody materials of one of the hijack ready by taking to Avani Bagi, Rank Hayani Bagi, Chintabo Abo, Paisa, finally some time and Tokachung Poinai, Ebon Barba City Figure, State Government Tani, State Tribal Welfare Department Tani, that is the Baki Jerez amount, release high, come by. Admitted question number 5. Chairman sir, admitted question number 6 in Boranganang MDC Umar Shankar Debormani Sungmong. Admit Kerenbar Hospital Katalke staff nurse recruitment Kaijak Naida. Tongmung Klaina Hanke, Bofuru Rogo Klaijak Naisha Sadabi. Sir, Chung Paimani Kore 2021 Kerenbar Hospital is a 56 overseas so that hospital Tomanaro, staff nurse Nikop crisis on Toman Bagay. So after crisis executive committee decision namani, Dorjona staff nurse Naharna. Kintu Dorjona by approval Maika, Dorjona Hisha Penemy, Dorjona by Kulogia. Because executive committee Tarisa Padrapano extension Haika, Bijona Naharlayana Haika. In Naharmani Kore Jokon, Raja Solkani Tanich project Rohakapana 150 bedded upgraded Hene 150 bed upgraded Hakan staff nurse Setan Nangmani, Asumayo, 2 daily Anglisha Hene 145 staff nurse sitting duty. Okay, deadline Tabo, October, November, 150 bedded Kerenbar Hospital and November ni bisingo inaugurate kane hinbar deadline is on November ni bisingo jehitu chung 145 জন sinangke 2 জন 10 জন ke nalai tam labang nai haine bage chung tabo ready khaito each and every both department including azago pogo nini various department nini gynae tongo nini pediatric tongo nini ortho tongo by both department and intensive care service by ICU totally change hisha kai 145 should not see doctors GDA technician pharmacist tapos more probus namna nai tong ke je nangmani chum frame out khai जों राज्य सरकारनि थानिबो रहना नाय दङ जोंहा जेहेतु पाब्लिक सार्भिस बा मिनिमाम मैक्सिमाम ओ बरगले जों रिक्रुटमेंट खायना नांगौ आमन बाय जों ताबो रिक्रुटमेंट खायनानि बागै ई मास सेप्टेम्बर मासनो जों फाइनल खायदों सर Honorable Chairman sir, Honorable Member ni question ka 2024 and 25 isini simi Tabukjora Agriculture Department by tamu samu tangjaka baklai jakka sajadi ke ang ainian sarma Agriculture Department ni hoiteo so like hone 2024 and 25 year bangma samu klaika jeta agri alike ni samu abrun sio chong chini kaisa ka sanai ke bahut launai ami ang short ke sanai jetu aini andaro suita agri subdivision to ebong duita 40 subdivision total 8 subdivision to abrun sio andai keha subdivision tulasiko Rupaishwari, Gandachara, Samunu and Kanchanpur. Samunu by Kanchanpur ke 40 and Agri Khopjal. Dono jagah. Okay, total 8 subdivision of Chini. Protect Bosoron fund allocate Jeta state ni transfer fund. Abono Chong fund allocate je subdivision wise. Je kuno plantation ni purpose of abo fund allocate kit ye dio kisu piune andaro principal officer andaro headquarter kisu reserve mati ke abri ke chung samun klaimo jemon erikara ni purpose last year of 44 hectares chung subdivision of total allocate keu erpore forest cultivation ni purpose of 24 hectare abro sub-allocate mushroom cultivation ni purpose of 56 body here bangma to sub-allocate abo sanan komano ginger cultivation to pineapple to watermelon to erpore chini seasonal matlab to application mushroom house structure construction to ke abun si ang kisa highlight kin musuke jemon market construction chini market development ni ko total cho last year 29 jagao thayo cho market construction kya auto khub limited fund disio 1 crore 19 lakhs total amount ni rang ni by cho 29 jagao maintenance bibino new and all maintenance body ke 29 jagao cho samukla kya abdi ke last year ni kam cho agri hotini je ka abdi ke no chini samu ke principal officer ni andaro jeta fund tomo jemon cho sub allocate jemoni kisu bara jemon power tiller ni khetreo Echong protek subdivision of tinta pasta abdike distribute khepaini bara jeta principal officer ni yau tomo abono chong bibinno chini MDC ro chini executive member ro ba jekono member ro request ke aboni proposal ni motepe chong abono fund divert ki utilize ke bo bodike chini samungu ke trebisile ang sani nangnai yang asakau bosuna hambai